An electrician quoted me $1,000 to install 4 recessed lights. What's up everyone? Today I will be installing 4 recessed lights and swapping out my fan here. I know I said an electrician was quoting me $1,000 for 4 lights, but he actually gave me a bundle deal, $1,900 to do 2 bedrooms. So I've been installing these myself ever since. To his credit, he did drop his quote to $1,700 when I stopped answering his phone calls. That price though did not include the lights themselves. I had bought these already off of Amazon. That was just labor and some wiring. The lights I'll be installing today are from Torchstar. They are canless, 3000 lumens, IC rated, and 4-inch. You know the links are down in the description. Anyway, today I'm going to install these and I'm going to aim to do it in less than 1 hour. That is $1,000 an hour. And now we're in the past. So while this is just a demonstration, if you're looking for an actual tutorial on how to install recessed lights, you can catch that by clicking the link right up here in the corner, or some of the links down in the description. I've done this quite a few times in the past, but this is a great time to tell you to subscribe and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let's go. All right, it is 1:31, as you can see right there on Friday. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling. Let's go. Turn the light off so it doesn't die. All right. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm also doing this in my pajamas. Hey babe.
Yeah.
Can you turn on the one breaker that's off?
Yep.
The lights are up and going. Alright, can you turn the breaker back off? Okay, just for perspective here, all the lights are now installed except for the ceiling fan here, which I'm going to get to right now. But the breaker I turned back on, so it's going to take a second. It's 2:35 right now. Let's see, 2:35. So it took an hour to get the lights on. A little bit slower than I thought, but it's still pretty fast. That's awesome. And that's all there is to it. It is so beautiful. Guys, so this actually did just take me 1 hour and 4 minutes. That's it. I saved $1,000 by learning how to do this and then actually doing it. And it's not quite $1,000 an hour. I still had cleanup. I had some prep work to do. And I still had to buy the lights, although actually that wasn't included in that quote. So it was, you know, $800 an hour. That's still pretty awesome. If y'all want to check out how to actually install recessed lights, go and click one of the links down in the description below. I have quite a few videos on this. You can also head over to my channel, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and all of those take very little effort on your part. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to go and do some of the things yourself. There is one other option. You can always get all this ready, all of it hooked up, and have an electrician come do a final hookup towards your outlet or towards your power source. That way, if you're feeling a little iffy on your skills, or, you know, I'm not liable for this, let me just say that right there. So go and hire an electrician if you don't know what you're doing. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. And just in case y'all don't believe that the fan works, here it is.